Hello, my name's Conor McGraw. I'm an application software consultant for Pentagon Solutions, and today in this short video we'll be focusing on the upload widget in RedEye. So once we land on the home page, we select the uploads new artifact widget, and then you get presented with this page, and basically just get that bit of information. This isn't where you perform check-in or create new revisions. This is creating new artifacts. So as it says, you can either drag or drop, or you can browse files. I'm going to drag in an image here, so if I drag it in, so this text basically means it'll pass the check that this this file name or artifact name isn't in use currently. If it is in use, you'll get a warning that an artifact may be duplicated. Then we'll move on to the artifact type. So selecting this artifact type dictates the workflows that you're able to put it into. It sort of gives you an outline, but the three are drawn, document, and media. So we'll select media. You can then select the workflow. You can also select what stage of the workflow you're going to put this in. Has it been issued for tender? Is it under review? Are we still drafting it? At the minute I'm just going to put it as built. You can then select the group you want it to go into, so I just want it to be part of that Pentagon Advanced User group. And then we'll go on to next. So this is where you want to put any available metadata in your bucket can come up here. You can add it to this artifact, and then whenever you try to search for it, this will come up. You can search by this. So if I hit next, you get this confirmation that, oh, there's a new artifact type, it's media, it's at this stage of the workflow, it's in this group, and this is the metadata that's currently attached to it. Again, you get this, the warning would be reissued if there was a duplicate, or if you had selected the wrong artifact type. Say for this one it's a PNG, if I'd selected drawn, it would see that file extension and raise a warning that that's not the correct file extension. I'll hit confirm. You then get that upload job has been submitted with one file, and that it may take time depending on size and quantity, and you'll get an email when that's finished. So that is how you upload in RedEye. Thank you for listening.